I'm Adam from RFOXiA, from our real lab. Today we're answering, what does an integrated RTC crystal actually do for your multi-device system, and why does it matter more than you think? Enjoy our new soundtrack at the end of the video. Let me tell you how humans experience time versus how a microcontroller experiences time, because the gap between those two things is the entire reason an RTC crystal exists. For a human, a second is short. It is the time it takes to blink or say the word synchronization. If your meeting starts 30 seconds late, nobody notices. If a sensor reading arrives 2 seconds after it was supposed to, you shrug and move on. For a microcontroller running at 64 MHz, 1 second contains 64 million clock cycles. In those 64 million cycles, the processor can execute tens of millions of instructions, log thousands of sensor readings, transmit hundreds of BLE packets, and check whether the RTC has ticked. 1 second is not short. 1 second is an enormous amount of time to a machine. Now here is where timing becomes a real engineering problem. Imagine two devices. They are not connected to the internet. There is no GPS lock. There is no NTP server. They are operating independently in a field, in the air, or across a mesh. You need them to coordinate. You need device A to log a sensor reading at the same moment device B records its position. You need the timestamps to match so that when you pull the data later, you can reconstruct what happened and when. If both devices have no reliable time source, the timestamps are meaningless. Each device is counting on its own internal oscillator, and internal oscillators drift. They drift because of temperature, they drift because of voltage variation, they drift because of manufacturing tolerance in the silicon. A typical RC oscillator, the kind built into most microcontrollers as a low-cost internal clock, can drift by 1 to 2%. That sounds small. Over 1 hour, 1% drift means your clock is off by 36 seconds. Over a day, it is off by 14 minutes. If you are logging environmental data from a sensor mesh and trying to correlate readings across nodes, 14 minutes of timestamp skew makes your dataset unusable. This is what an RTC crystal solves. A real-time clock crystal is a separate, dedicated timing component. It operates at 32.768 kHz, a frequency chosen specifically because it is a power of 2, which makes it trivial for digital counters to divide down to exactly 1 pulse per second. The crystal is physically cut to a precise thickness. Its resonant frequency is determined by its geometry, not by a software setting. That geometry does not drift the way an RC oscillator does. A good RTC crystal operates with a drift of around 2 to 5 parts per million, that is 2 to 5 microseconds per second, or roughly 10 to 20 seconds per year. That is 4 to 5 orders of magnitude more stable than the RC oscillator in your main processor. The Multinav Pro plus BLE module has an integrated RTC crystal. This is not a feature that gets attention in spec sheets. It does not appear in the headline claims the way range and data rate do. But when you are building a system that needs to operate without infrastructure, without internet, without GPS, without a time server, the RTC crystal is what separates a system that logs coherent timestamp data from one that produces numbers with no reliable temporal anchor. Here is a concrete scenario. You are deploying two Multinav Pro plus BLE modules as a mesh. One is on a drone, one is on the ground. They are communicating with each other using the BLE link. No towers, no internet. Both are logging sensor data locally. When you retrieve the logs, you need to know at 1432.07.412, what was the drone's altitude and what was the ground temperature simultaneously. Without synchronized clocks on both modules, you cannot answer that question. With the integrated RTC running on both modules, both devices share a timing reference that drifts by less than 5 microseconds per second. Your timestamps align, your data makes sense. There is another dimension to this that builders often miss. The RTC crystal operates while the main processor is asleep. This is the point. In low-power IoT deployments, the processor is powered down for most of its life. It wakes up, takes a reading, transmits a packet, and goes back to sleep. If the processor had to stay awake just to track time, the power budget would collapse. The RTC draws microamps, a current so small it is almost notional, and it keeps counting while everything else is off. When the processor wakes up, it checks the RTC, knows exactly what time it is, and decides whether to transmit or go back to sleep. This is how you get a sensor node that runs for months on a small battery. Not because the processor is slow, but because it is asleep almost all the time, and the RTC is the only thing keeping watch. The practical implication for the Multinav Pro Plus BLE module is that it supports time-aware operations without requiring an always-on processor, without requiring an internet connection for NTP sync, and without requiring GPS lock for time extraction. The crystal is there, it is always counting. When your system needs to know what time it is, the answer is available. So that is what the RTC crystal is doing and why it matters when your devices are operating without any external time reference. Now let me show you the actual hardware. This is the network the RTC makes possible, up to 50 kilometers between two modules, no towers, no internet, and because both ends share the same crystal accurate time reference, every packet in that link carries a timestamp you can actually trust. 2 megabits per second over long range means data arrives fast. The RTC crystal ensures that when two nodes are exchanging timestamped packets at that rate, the timing metadata on both sides of the link is coherent and not drifting apart at different rates. The STM32WB07CCV6 is the processing core that reads the RTC and acts on it. When the processor wakes from sleep, it queries the crystal-backed clock, checks its schedule, and decides whether to transmit. That interaction, processor plus crystal, is the foundation of low-power time-aware operation. 57 by 47 millimeters. The RTC crystal occupies a fraction of that footprint, draws microamps, and never stops counting. The entire module fits in a drone frame, a sensor enclosure, or the palm of your hand, with precise timekeeping built in. Every module in this ecosystem benefits from synchronized time. When the BLE module, the GNSS module, and the sensors module are all logging data simultaneously, the RTC on the BLE module provides the shared temporal anchor that makes cross-module data correlation possible. The RFOXiA Connect app displays live sensor data and live GPS position. The timestamps on that data, the numbers that tell you when each reading was taken, come from the RTC running continuously on the module, independent of whether the app or the internet is present. BLITchat is an internet-independent communication link between two module users. When messages are logged with timestamps, both ends of that conversation are timestamped by RTC crystals running on their respective modules. The record is coherent without a server in between. Full open source access means you can read the RTC registers directly, set alarms, implement scheduled wake cycles, and build time-aware firmware from first principles. The crystal is there, the registers are documented, the control is yours. The integrated RTC crystal is the reason this feature exists at all. Precise timing for navigation, for synchronization, for scheduled sensor reads, none of it works without a stable, low-power, always-on time source. This is that source. Has been running. This is not the most dramatic feature on the module. It is not the one you cite when you are explaining 50-kilometer range to someone who has never heard of a long-range BLE system, but it is one of the features that determines whether a serious multi-device deployment produces usable data or expensive noise. The Multinav Pro plus BLE module's integrated RTC crystal gives your system the precise, reliable timing it needs to keep multi-device operations perfectly synchronized without depending on external infrastructure.
Soldering iron at 2 a.m. Schematic on the wall. Every trace a decision, every signal a call. They said the range was impossible. They said the price was wrong. I mapped the RF landscape and I built where I belong. No towers holding me, no infrastructure fee, just fixing intention and a module that runs free. We are the makers, we push the signal past the edge. We build the future with our hands, on every rooftop, every ledge. 50 kilometers of silence and the data starts to flow. We are the makers, and we built this from below. From below. The firmament writes itself now. Describe it, watch it run. AI speaks the language of what we have begun. Sensors streaming in the field, earning while I sleep. Every note a heartbeat, every death set mind to keep. No limits, no permission, this technology belongs to us, and everything we build is true. 20,000 meters, and the signal holds its ground. No internet, no towers, no infrastructure found. Just a model and a maker and a vision that was real. This is what democratized means. This is how we